Hi everyone. Today I came to visit one outlet called Ganeshmal Tejraj and Company. This comes in a street called Chamrajpet, which comes in Bengaluru, India. You will get crockery, steel products, plastic, A to Z. You will get your hotelware. Everything you will get, and whatever price also you're getting, it's almost like wholesale price. Number is on video screen. If you are interested in buying any of the products, you can WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all details. There's one more floor and just check the stock. Very few places in India you will get to see this kind of stock, fully loaded stock like this. 4+1, 5 floors are there. So if you are a reseller or you want to start a business or you want for hotel, A to Z products you will get over here. This is one more floor and just check the stock here. A to Z steel products, crockery, hotelware you will get over here, and branded appliance also you will get for wholesale price. This is one more section. All steel utensil you will get here. Whatever you want for kitchen, for restaurants, for cafe, for hotels, all types of utensil you'll get. One more section which is dedicated to plastics and all. So you'll get here all these kinds of big dustbins, and you can just check the varieties of plastics also. Quantity and varieties are highly maintained over here. This is basement floor, and you can just check here A to Z big hotelware products you'll get here. Messed up because they are big wholesalers in this, and that's the reason a lot of people they come here, and very popular outlet. So if you want something big utensils for hotelware, for anything multi-purpose, that also you will get here. He's Mr. Shailesh. So Shailesh, tell me something about your studio. Take a tour, no? What and all you'll get.
Yeah, sure, sir. We are mainly into commercial items.
Okay.
So this is the double range burner.
Okay.
And this is a dosa or little bit what we call as in South Indian they make dosas and everything.
Okay.
These are commercial two burners.
Okay.
They use for cooking.
Okay.
We are basically into commercial items. These are work tables, sink with tables.
Okay.
Anything related to equipment, we can do it as per your size, as per customer size, whatever they need.
Okay.
These are commercial trolleys. This contains 450 liters.
Okay.
The ratio depends upon the person who
Very
do
big,
it.
yeah. Nice. Super. Very few places you will get to see like this.
These are iron ranges.
Okay.
Iron range, 3-burner range.
Okay.
We have iron, steel, both we have.
How many burners you'll get? 2, 4 also you'll get?
4 also you get.
Okay.
As the customer needs, we can fabricate anything they want.
All right.
Okay, this is the ground floor,
Okay.
and we are having this kind of fry pans which starts from 250 rupees to 600 rupees. These are iron based.
Okay.
And above that you can see the plates and everything, melamine plates, melamine platters.
Starts from what? Lowest price?
Starting price is 40 rupees.
40 rupees.
Melamine
Okay.
items.
Then?
These are different kind of knives.
Okay.
We have range starting from 15 rupees to say 1200 rupees knives we have.
Okay.
These are melamine based.
Okay.
And that side you can see the spatulas, bakery products,
Nice.
pizza cutters, graters.
That starts from what? Spatula?
Spatula, it starts from 90 rupees.
90 rupees. Okay.
90 rupees.
Then?
Starts from 90 rupees. These are some cutleries, fancy cutleries we have.
Okay.
These are cutleries.
And you have
This is
big
pizza oven.
equipments and all.
Yeah, this is pizza oven.
Okay.
This is gas based.
In hotelware, what and all you will cover, like in equipments like?
Hotelware 99% all we try to cover it.
Okay.
And of course we have all the products.
Okay.
If anything is not there, we can arrange it.
Okay. Each and every steel utensil, crockery, and big hotelware equipment you will get here.
Yeah, this is pizza oven.
Nice.
So pizza oven, these are pizza ovens, double deck, single deck.
Okay.
These are used for pizza. These are snack display.
Okay.
These are barbecue.
Okay. So barbecue, nice.
Yeah, portable.
Okay.
Portable.
What size we get in this? This is a basic
this
size.
is the basic size.
Okay.
For outdoor some party or anything.
This starts from what?
The starting range is 3,000 rupees.
Oh, nice.
This
Yeah.
kind of
Very
model.
nice. Very big this is.
These are hot case. This is momo steamer.
Oh, nice.
Stainless steel momo steamer.
These are standard size.
No, there are many sizes in this.
Okay.
Starts from 8 inches. This is 13 inches.
Any starting price you want to tell in this? Lowest.
Lowest price starts from say around 800 rupees.
Okay.
Basic one, very basic one.
What about this section, Shailesh?
Here we have all the utensils.
Okay.
Starting from plates, steel
Okay.
containers, steel urns,
Okay.
hot boxes, and wooden serving items. These all are plates. These are fancy baskets,
Okay.
cutlery basket,
Nice.
bread baskets.
Serving baskets. Multi-purpose.
Yes, there are many varieties.
Okay.
They come, they goes. There are some new trends. It comes.
Superb, yeah. Very nice.
Apart from this pizza servers we have.
Oh, nice.
Burger, sandwich
Superb.
servers, sizzler plates.
Oh.
There are many sizes in this.
Cool, yeah. Then these all are like biryani
These
buckets.
are biryani buckets.
Multi-purpose,
buckets,
yeah.
Biryani handis. Like this biryani handis will come.
Cool.
Copper, brass, steel.
Oh, nice.
Copper.
Very nice product.
These are matte finish.
Okay. And what do you want to tell about the quality and all of this?
Quality and see, of course, we are from last
50
say in
years.
this firm. I am in
70.
12 years, so many people come.
Okay.
They come from that. We only that we are quality we are maintaining.
Okay. What about
These
this?
are potato twisters. These are Italian slicers.
Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Slicer. Okay. So you can just have a look what kind of collections they are having. We are just showing you a glimpse. But if you are interested, you can visit the outlet. It's very big, almost 4+1 floor. Yeah, next.
These are service trays
Nice. Superb, yeah.
for combo plates and everything they use. These are partition plates.
Okay.
Different.
If they come one place, the work is done here.
Yeah.
You will not.
For that reason, we are trying to maintain as much stock possible as we can.
This is a huge stock.
These are our plates.
Okay.
Different kind of plates we have.
Nice.
And these are chef coats. If anyone wants to buy
Oh,
chef coats, aprons. we
Aprons,
have that
okay.
one also. And these, as you asked, Pigeon Prestige. These all are cook pots, fry pans, induction stove.
so this what you are selling price and what the other people are selling in retail, to 10-20% difference will be there.
Or you can consider on MRP around 30 to 40%.
Okay, more like
depending upon
wholesale.
the products. Starting from 20%, it ranges till 40% it will range.
Very nice, yeah. Cool.
Discount.
And these all are like for PG restaurants.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
These are cake stands
Oh, nice. Yeah, very
Cake
nice
stand.
products they're having.
and these are strainers.
Lovely.
For restaurant they use it very oftenly.
Nice.
These are bakery.
Basically-
some bakery products we have. We are adding up some more.
Okay.
And these are strainers and everything.
Nice.
Anyone need anything, they just have to
Like
message
this
us.
also you'll get all this.
Yes.
Cool, yeah. Nice.
And
Superb
if anyone
outlet.
need anything, they can just WhatsApp us on the number what they have in screen.
And this is also very nice.
Yeah, these are for
Superb.
some catering people use it or some
Awesome.
display like that.
Many people can eat on this also
Yeah.
as a plate.
Nowadays this has become a trend.
Yeah, very nice. How much is the starting price?
This is 700. These are
Kitchen
basic
utensils.
basic kitchen utensils for
Nice.
preparation.
Okay.
Strainers, ice cream scoops,
Okay.
and many other stuff. Salt, pepper,
Milton,
and
okay. Right from basic to mid to high range and
Mid,
all. Everything you'll get here basically.
yes.
You want for kitchen, for house, for restaurant, for anything. Anything means anything you'll get here. So many products they're having. Just check this. These are the bowls. This is what? Melamine.
This is melamine.
Okay.
These are melamine.
Nice.
These are come in a terracotta model.
Okay.
There are
This is something
different
new
types of
now.
bowls, yes.
Yeah, nice. This
Yeah.
is like small kadai.
Yeah. These are
Fantastic,
for nowadays they are into trendy.
Okay. And you will get like this plates also if you want in bulk
There
for
are many
PG and
kind
all.
of partition plates we have.
Nice.
Starting from 3 partition to 8 partition. For
Okay.
meals, for combos. We have different kind of plates.
What about this section, Shailesh?
This is second floor. Commercial appliances. Most probably all the appliances are here.
Okay.
Starting from pizza ovens,
Okay.
baking ovens.
Oh,
these are
Panasonic is also there.
Panasonic is solo oven.
Super.
This is a commercial oven.
Oh,
for baking on
very big.
Making pizza.
Okay.
We have 1 deck, 2 tray, 1 deck, 1 tray.
Okay. In this one, how many pizza we can keep? Anything?
You can make around 6 to 8 pizzas.
6
at a
to
time.
8. Oh, nice. Okay.
And we are dealing in Pradeep items also.
Okay.
Most of the commercial restaurant people, catering people might be knowing.
Okay.
Pradeep, we have milk boilers
Okay.
and fry pans, sauce pans. Everything we have related to that. These are deep fryers.
Okay.
Commercial difference. We have very ranges, like very much ranges we have.
Okay.
Starting from 3 liters, 1.5 liter to 11 liters we have.
Okay. This pizza oven and all.
Yeah.
Okay. Then?
These are hot pots.
Nice. Cool, yeah. And even if someone is a reseller, he can associate with you.
Yeah, we are welcome to everyone.
Okay.
They are, whosoever need for commercial items, we are welcoming everyone.
Okay.
Let them provide the details. We can try to match up their
This
requirements.
is some
It's a
international.
chefing dish.
Okay.
Chefing dishes for buffet and
Juice
everything.
mixer, everything. Sujata.
This is Sujata. Nowadays
Okay.
you might be knowing there are
Yeah.
many models in this.
Okay.
We have covered all the models.
Okay.
If anyone need, they can just contact us.
Okay.
We have Philips
Oh,
air
nice.
fryers, steamers. These are big size cookers. We have cookers starting from 5 liters to 80 liters.
Okay. Dosa, tawa, idli, everything.
Yeah, everything we have.
Okay. Hawkins, just check. Appliance.
These are electric. These are like gas burners
Okay.
for those. Catering
Oh,
people use
nice.
it
Uh-huh.
to make instant chapatis and everything.
Solid
These are
stuff.
cereal dispensers.
Nice.
MNC people.
Very big business people in this field. They are one of the biggest, I think, in steels.
These are momo steamers. Aluminum
Okay.
momo steamers.
Wow.
This is gas fryer. Nowadays everyone are using 16-liter gas fryer.
Okay. French fries.
Yeah, French fries, chicken.
Okay.
Chicken,
Multi-purpose.
Yeah. These are lassi machines.
Okay.
We have the steel containers known as GN pans.
Oh,
Many sizes are there, and these are different kinds of sandwich gillers we have. Small, big, starts of sandwich gillers we have starting price from 3,000 to 16,000.
oh, nice. Yeah.
Decent models will come starting price is around 7,000.
Okay.
These models starting price is 5,500 to 7,000.
Nice.
These are pancake machines, waffle machines,
Oh, nice.
lolly waffles.
This for that paddu.
Yeah, paddu or a pancake.
Okay.
These are polycarbonate pans.
Okay.
Black pans. Same we have in steel also.
Okay, nice.
And that side we have pizza ovens, sandwich gillers. These also sandwich gillers.
Okay.
Deep fryers we have. These are plate collecting trolley.
Okay.
Plate and used plates, spoons.
Nice.
That one. These are for bar trolley. This is bar trolley.
Oh,
Bottom on what you can see.
superb.
These
Yeah.
are bar trolley.
These are all big kadais.
Yeah, these are brass kadais.
Vintage types.
Yes.
Nice. Superb.
And we have brass vessels also. If someone need copper biryani handi, we have copper biryani handi as well.
Nice. Wow. Just check the size and all.
These are
Solid.
polycarbonate containers.
Okay.
Cambro, Nilkamal make. Storage containers.
And what about this section, Shailesh?
These are mostly into commercial catering.
Okay.
These are big tiffin carriers.
Oh, nice.
Those who want to do catering for 50 members, 100 members, they can get containers from us.
Okay.
Food preparation containers, steel vessels. We have big vessels. We have
Superb.
commercial vessels.
Nice. Cool. Okay. Then?
These are containers,
Okay.
as I said, for catering to transport food from one place to other place.
Okay.
Catering people knows this very well. If anyone is watching, they will come to know. And these are different kind of tiffin carriers, different size.
Wow.
Small, say 20 members, 50 members, 100 members, 150 members. If they want to cater for 150 members, if they want to transport the food from one place to other place, they can use these kind of carriers. These are doodh kadais.
Mm-hmm.
We have in iron, steel,
Nice.
crockery. We have
Okay.
many crockery items.
Crockery down also you have a lot of
Yeah,
things.
those are melamine. These are ceramic.
Okay.
Ceramic, opalware,
Okay.
bowls, glass items. They maintain, trying to maintain everything.
Nice. Super.
Anyone need anything for juice shops
Okay.
or restaurant, we have it. These are some glass wares.
Oh, nice.
We have glass cups and everything.
Okay.
Glass bar, this is the milkshake glasses, beer glasses.
Nice.
And these are crockery units.
Okay.
Someone wants crockery plates, ceramic plates, different pattern, different designs.
Super.
And these are big colanders what we have. Different kind of trays we have. These are used in restaurant and everywhere.
Super. Wow, this is very nice, yeah.
Baking
This.
trays. These are brass coffee
Lovely.
filters, brass, these are copper. And these are aluminum trays. For baking we use it. Different sizes we have. If anyone need any particular size, we can fabricate and give.
And in this new products keeps updating, I think, no?
it
This
keeps on
field.
coming. So the reason what you are seeing stocks, no?
Yeah, yeah.
So people get different needs. So we are
Okay.
trying to cover up everything. What we need.
Everything like
These are
many new
showcase
products.
display trays
Okay.
to keep pastries, sweets, and everything. They use it for
Yeah,
displaying.
pastry and all. Big field, big area this is, yeah. Baking and all products also will get.
Yeah, baking products. These are some polycarbonate used and like reusable fiber polycarbonate. Known as it won't break if it falls.
Unbreakable.
It's unbreakable.
Okay.
Polycarbonate food grade product glasses we have. We have around 20-30 varieties in that.
And what about this section, Shailesh?
These we have plastic waste. These
Okay.
are dustbins, big dustbins.
Nice.
Small. We have dustbins starting from 20 liter to 660 liters.
Okay.
These are 120 liter dustbins. Buckets we have.
Okay.
Storage dumps we have. Storage dustbins we have. And
Wow.
we have some containers like this.
Okay.
Storage containers. That section you can see sauce bottles.
Nice.
Sauce bottle, ice cube trays. And we have this glass racks to stack glasses.
Okay.
Cups and everywhere.
This one?
This you can see, yeah.
Okay.
These are used for storing glasses.
Okay.
Stacking the glasses in bar and all they use it.
Okay.
And this section storage container. Basically, in this floor we have all the storage sections.
Okay.
Storage.
With kitchen utensils also.
Yeah.
Like container box.
Container to store foods and everything.
This is for baskets, milk and all.
Yeah.
Multi-purpose fruit baskets.
Fruit, meat, or whatever. Dairy products.
Nice. So you can just check here, and these are his products. If you want to contact, numbers on video screen, you can contact them. They'll send you all details.